How to teach your child to say, "This is my Amma" or "This is my mom." Consider a baby who is around 1 year old. When you go and tell that baby that his mom as your mom, example, mom and baby are present. Person 1 goes and tell that baby, "This is my mom," pointing at child's mom. Baby will immediately say, "No, no, this is my mom." In Tamil we say, "Ennoda amma." Similarly, for any object that belongs to baby, when you say that this is yours, the baby will immediately respond by saying, "No, no, this is mine." So in this video, let's see how to teach this. Children with speech delay related diagnosis can be taught to respond this way by proper stimulation. Before that, we need to know what stage your child is. Children could be in any of the below stage. Child 1 knows that it is his mom. If you pull his mom to your side, he will cry and go stand near his mom and just cry, but does not respond, "This is my mom." Child 2 does not respond at all when you say like that. Child does not respond because of any of the below reasons. They don't understand what you say. They would not have called you by the name Amma or Mom. They might not know what he has to call you by the name Amma or Mom. First, teach that you are a mom by proper labeling. Step 1. Take a pic. Point and say the word mom in front of the child's eye. Step 2. A third person models the child by calling you Amma or Mom. Follows modeling rule. Step 1. Teaching the label. Take pic of child's mom and teach using below rules. Sit face to face and at eye level with the child. Now keep mom's picture facing the child. Point to the pic and look at child's eye and look at the pic and say Amma. Use modeling rules mentioned towards the end of this video. Do this 5 to 10 times a day. Don't do this as a separate activity. Just do it on the go when the child is playing or sitting with you in a car or during meal time. After teaching this for few days, do the step 2. Here we need an adult in addition to mom and the child. Assume that the child wants chips. Now person 1 is in kitchen facing the stove. Person 2 takes child to the mom, points to the mom, touches her and say mom. When you do this, ensure that person 2 is face to face and at eye level of the child and say the word mom by looking at child's eye and then back at mom, and also show the visual of mom next to the real mom. Now immediately mom should turn and say yes with a big smile looking at child's eye. Now person 2 immediately say chips and mom gives the chips immediately without any delay. Do this 5 to 10 times a day. After few days of trying this, person 2 take the child to mom, touches and points her and wait for few seconds before he say the word mom and look at child's eye. Give clue after some waiting time. Clue could be a visual clue of mom's picture or a verbal clue by saying half the word. Even if the child attempts to make a sound, you immediately interpret the word and say mom with a big smile and appreciating the child by clapping. Don't ask the child who is this or use the phrase say mom or amma. Please don't say this. Just model as I said earlier by looking at child's eye. Now the first step, we have taught the child that you are mom and she needs to call you by the word mom. If your child is already calling you mom or amma, skip previous step and start from here. Now choose a set of children or mom pair whom the child knows very well and your child has always seen those children with their mom. Now request those parents if they can give a pic of mom and child together. Make a picture album and stick all those pictures and on the final page paste the pic of you and your child. If you could not get any picture of other children, take mom baby pic from Google. Follow pointing rules and model on a daily basis and teach this picture album. Just point the picture and say Sam, Sam's mom, Ram, Ram's mom. And when you finally come to your page with a big smile, you say, if your child's name is Kavya, you say Kavya and my mom. When you say Kavya, point to the picture of Kavya and point to the child. When you say my mom, keep the child's hand on child's chest and say my and point to mom's picture, say mom. Follow strict modeling rules when you do this. No questions, don't use any other words. Look at child's eye and talk. Do this again 5 times a day for few weeks. Do this for a month and then finally we will teach how to help your child say this is my mom. If your child already calls you by the word mom and understand the question, if someone points you and say this is my mom, but don't respond by saying this is my mom, then skip previous steps and start from here. Now we need 3 persons in addition to the child to teach this. Person 1 mom, person 2 and 3 and child. Sit in a circle time position all 3 adults and the child, where both person 1 and 2 and 3 are at eye level of child. Person 2 points to mom and say my mom. Do the gesture of the word my when you say this and show the visual of mom if you think child needs it. Then immediately person 3 model the child and say no, my mom. When person 3 says this, look at child's eye and follow modeling rules. Keep a silly face and say no. Follow these steps and do this activity for 3 times a day for few days. Do this in a fun way. When you say my mom, say this as a 3-year-old child says with a crying face. When you say no, show a silly face. Keep it fun and do this with a smile. After trying this for few days, in the same circle time, person 3 should wait for few seconds before saying my mom and give visual or verbal clue to help the child say my mom. Persistent try of above steps will give results. Never ever use the face say my mom. Instead, just model. Similar steps and instructions can be used to teach my dad, my family, my objects. Make a proper plan, choose a right time and follow the steps. Use below modeling rules when you do this. Read through these rules. Thank you. Share with parents in need. Like and subscribe if you think the video is helpful.